My friends, good to see you back. We are mid-September and winter is coming sooner or later, so I thought you'll do a typical winter dish. Have a look. Pasta e patate e salamino piccante. So this is trofie pasta together with potatoes and a nice spicy aged salami. And you got it right, it's called pasta e patate. So what do you need for this? Come closer and I will explain to you. So for pasta e patate you basically need pasta. I chose 250 grams of fresh trofie pasta and patate, potatoes, about 700 grams, 700 grams you will see. And that's not all, we will also need to make a sauce around these two main ingredients, which basically consists of staged salamino piccante from Basilicata. I will take half of it, that will be enough. We will fry this together with half of this onion, yellow onion, a carrot, a little bit also of this celery, and we will fry this of course in our godfather, the olive oil, extra virgin of course. We will also add a little shot of white wine. Later on we will add also a bit of passata, perhaps 200 milliliters. Of course, as usual, salt, pepper, and also a few spices. For example, this rosemary that I got from my garden. Okay, my friends, so for our pasta patate we will need a little bit of rosemary. Luckily it grows in my garden here. Oh yeah, it smells really good. And also this chili that I got from my garden to make. Okay, my friends, so we're here in my little chili garden, and we will also need a little spicy chili for my pasta patate. I think this one, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, let's take this one and we'll eat those tonight. So you see, not too many ingredients, and let's start with the first step, which is a little bit of cutting. I will keep it short and simple and do some pre-work until we see each other back in a few seconds. So first of all I cut the skin of this potato, and then I will cut it in these kind of sizes. Yeah, about this size. I will do another one. There we go, 2 stripes and cubes in about this size, and that will do the job. And I will continue doing so with the other 2 potatoes. Okay, next step will be cutting the salamino in small slices. Perhaps cut the slices into halves so they will not be too big, like this. Okay, my friends, so we are coming closer. Potatoes are cut, salamino is cut, also the parmigiano is ready. And I now continue cutting the carrot. After that also the onion and the celery, and then we are finally ready to cook. And we are almost there. I'm now cutting half of this onion, that should be enough. Small pieces, and the small pieces here will also nicely melt in the hot olive oil soon. And final step is we will cut this piece of celery, perhaps not too much. Looks good. Let me do a quality check. Nice, fresh and crunchy. This is how we like it. So I will cut this. Maybe about 80 grams. That should do the job. Okay, my friends, so I have started heating up the olive oil. First thing that comes in will be the salamino piccante. We will start frying it a little bit, and after that we add all the rest. Okay, you see the salamino has been frying. Now's the time to add also the onions. I do love the sound, and we will also add the celery. And finally the carrots, and let this fry for another few minutes. Oh yeah, that smells nice. So next step I will also add maybe 2 pieces of this chili, not too much, because I know it's really, really spicy. Oh yes, oh yes. Now's the time. We will add a little shot of white wine. Pull down. Correct. And now is also the time when we will add the remaining ingredients. So first of all, the potatoes. And we'll mix a little bit, we will stir, and also add a little shot of water. Not too much, but a little bit, because the potatoes need to cook. We will also add this piece of rosemary, but we will take it out later on. And so let this cook for another few minutes, and then we will also add the Parmigiano. My friends, I'm happy to say we have reached the very first big milestone. You see, the water has slowly started boiling, yes, the water is boiling. So now is also the time when we add a little bit, well actually half of this Parmigiano Reggiano, and mix it across the potatoes. And soon we can also add our passata. And when I say soon, I mean in the next few seconds, which I'm doing right now. Perhaps 200 milliliters. Yes. I think this is 200 here. And let me now stir a little bit more. And then we're getting very, very close to the final result. This now needs to boil for another few minutes until we can add pasta, perhaps 30 minutes. Okay, you see the potatoes are nicely cooking. Now's the time when we will remove also the rosemary. It has done its job, but we can add a little bit more of water so it can cook more easily. And in about, I would say 20 minutes, we can add the pasta. But before we add the pasta, of course, we'll have to add some salt, maybe this amount, and also a little bit of pepper, this amount. Okay, after about 30 minutes of cooking, let's see how we are doing. Oh my god, oh my god, this is incredible, this smell. I think you guys from YouTube, you have to develop the smell functionality, so my fans can see all this, my visitors. This smells incredible. So, yeah, let me do a quality check of the sauce. Yeah. So now's the time when we can add the trofie pasta. It's fresh pasta. Let's see. Cooking time is 6 minutes. Yeah, so 6 more minutes. We'll mix this. We will add also a little bit of water. And then we are soon ready to eat. Okay, look at this. So the trofie pasta have finished cooking, 6 minutes, al dente. Now's the time when we can add the remaining Parmigiano Reggiano. So we will mix it slowly inside so it gets nice, creamy, of course without any cream. There you go. Don't swallow everything. And I think we are ready to prepare the plates. Pasta e patate e salamino piccante. So this is trofie pasta together with potatoes and a nice spicy aged salami. Oh, my friends, so yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, down there you will find the description, and also down there, I think in this direction, you can subscribe to this channel. There will come many more videos. So this is really just the very beginning, and let's see how it tastes like. Buon appetito! Potato. Oh we need to do a scarpetta. It was so delicious. If you don't lick your fingers, you only enjoy half.